Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. I have selected another teaser from this book, Additional Mathematics for Foundation Semester, especially, and I have selected the real teaser in real sense. it reads as y is equal to a times x raised to n minus 23, and furthermore y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, and y is 220 when x is equal to 9. Find the values of a and n. Find the values of a and n. We have given an equation. We are asked to find two unknowns, a and n, a and n. For two unknowns, we need at least two conditions. One question arises up from y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 3. Another one from y is equal to 220 and x is equal to 9. Solve them simultaneously. Then you are in a position to find values of a and n. Let's see and find out. Solution given to us y is equal to a times x raised to n minus 23. We have given y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Utilize these values here. Pairwise as it is given. Y is equal to 4. A times x is 3 raised to n minus 23. Shift minus 23 here. From right hand side to left hand side, y plus 23 is equal to a times 3 raised to n. 4 plus 3, it's 27. It's equal to a times 3 raised to n. This is our equation 1, or you can find value of anyone. Condition number 2, when y is equal to 220 and x is equal to 9, put in the same function. We have given x is equal to 9 and further y is equal to 220. Same condition utilized, same equation that is given to us, y is equal to a times x raised to n minus 23. Instead of x put 9, instead of y 220, y is equal to 20, it's equal to a times x raised to n. X means 9 raised to n minus 23. Let me utilize this space. 220 is equal to a times 9 raised to n minus 23. Shift minus 23 from right to left. 220 plus 23 is equal to a times 9 raised n. It will become 243. A 9 can be written as 3 square n. 3 square overall raised n. It's equation number 2. Now it's up to you. Divide either equation with anyone. Or you can find the value of a and compare. We are first finding values of a from both equation and comparing. So a is equal to 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is 9, 9 is 27, 81 times 3, 243. It's our a times 3 raised to n. A times 3 raised to n. It can be written as 3 raised to 5. A times 3 raised to n. Shift here 3 power 2n in division. Find the value of a. 3 power 5 overall divided by 3 power 2n. It's equal to. Bases are same. They are in division. Subtract lower power from upper power or upper power from lower power. It's equal to 3 raised 5 minus 2n. It is the value of a from condition number 2. From condition number 1, we can also find value of a. It is to be 27 can be written as 3 raised cube. 27, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times 3, 3 raised cube is equal to a times 3 raised n. Solve for a. Shift 3 raised n here. 3 raised 3 divided by 3 raised n. It's equal to n. They are in division. Bases are same. Subtract lower power from upper power. It is going to be 3 raised 3 minus n. 3 raised 3 minus. Its value of a from equation 1, and this is the value of a from equation number 2. Compare the values. A is equal to a. A is equal to a. What is the value of a? 3 raised 5 minus 2. From this one, we have given a is equal to 3 raised 3 minus n. 3 raised 3 minus n. As bases are equal, their powers are equal. So 5 minus 2n is equal to 3 minus n. Solve for n. Combine the like term, shift n there, constant there. We have something like this. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus n plus 2n. Plus 5 minus 3, 2. Minus n plus 2n, it's equal to n. So value of n is 2. Value of n is 2. Put here, you will get value of a. Put here, you will get value of a. In either condition, you can utilize. I am utilizing this condition at hand. A is equal to 3 raised 5 minus 2n. N is 2. A is to be, sorry, 3 raised 5 minus n is 2. 2 times 2. So A is 3 raised 5 minus 2 to the 4. So A is 3 raised 1. A is 3 raised 1. So value of A is 3 and value of n is 2. We have just compared. Even when this is value of A, you can take condition number 1. Where is the condition number? This is 1. This is our condition number 2. On dividing either equation, you will arrive at the same result. Let's see and find out how. Here it's our condition number 2, and there is something condition number 1. This is condition number 2. Yes, it is 27 is equal to a times 3 raised n. It's our equation number 1. It's equation number 2. Divide 1 with 2 or 2 with 1, whatever you like. I am dividing 2 by 1. 243 over 27 is equal to a times 3 raised to n divided by a times 3 raised n. A cancelled out. 243 means 5 times, it's what remains? 3 square remains, or 9 remains. Here we have 3 raised to n overall 3 raised n. Bases are same, they are divided, subtract lower power from upper power, 3 square, or it can be written as 3 raised to n minus n. 3 square is equal to 3 raised n. Bases are equal, therefore powers are equal. So n is equal to in that case. N is equal to in that case. Either you put in here or here, you will get the same value for A. Let's see and find out how. N is 3, put here. 27 is equal to A. 3n is 2. 27 times 27 is equal to A times 3 square means 9. Shift 9 here. 27 divided by 9. So A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3, N is equal to 2. In that case, you must have concept and clarity. Then it is like a soccer trick. Either you play dribble with left ball or right ball, left foot or right foot, you will arrive at the same result. I several times emphasize on the concept. You should have clarity, and your first step must be rationally driven rather than a blind arrow in the air. If you want to accomplish something, think through by definition. Think through by definition. Work with clarity. Even your work is tiny, it must be comprehensive. Clarity works wonderful for you. Apply the concept. You should have the logic why you are doing this, and you are going to get through. It's all by itself. Next.